I think the opponent of Medicilio is not a Filipino. He's an Indonesian. But he's looking one like a Filipino also. Both fighters are timing each other.
Itong Simo Kamad Shamilin partner is hanging low, ano? He's trying to clinch low at the waist of Medicilio.
Napaka-orthodox nung style nung Indonesian. Medyo magpa-paint siya bago yuyuko siya ng ng mababa. O ayun, partner, oh.
Oh, pero nasalo niya tuloy yung suntok ni Medicilio doon sa...
Usually yung mga ganyan susceptible sa uppercut yan. Kailangan lang well-time yung uppercut na ibibigay mo. Kasi maka-counter ka rin ng hook kung hindi tama yung pag-setup mo ng uppercut.
Right now, I think he's trying to land more of that, no? Yung kanyang mga haymakers, but Medicilio stays busy. Ayun, he finds the time, itong si Muhammad to turn the tables around.
I don't know if it's the first time na makalaban si Medicilio ng foreign fighter.
Parang,
Kasi all of his fights are made dito sa Elorde. And if my memory serves me right, puro Pilipino. So I think kung ito ang una, it will be an acid test for him.
I think he's shown very good performances and his...
Wow!
Oh! Wow, that is a very devastating shot landed by Zyver Medicilio. The Indonesian boxer is on the canvas right now, unable to get up. I hope, ayan, ang ating Gab, maagap na dinala ang ating oxygen para sa ating fighter. He's unable to get up on his own. Oh no.
Oh my God. I don't want to see the sight.
I mean, he went over here from Indonesia. I hope. But nevertheless, partner, siguro not to take away the glory from Zyver Medicilio, no? What an amazing performance from this kid.
Mamaya na tayo si Jay, mamaya na tayo mag-interview, mamaya na. Kasi last two fights na tayo, naghihilahan tayo ng mic eh.
Zyver Medicilio elevates his win. He remains undefeated. He has 5 wins. So much promise for this kid.
But I don't want to see this sight, partner.
Of course, partner. He's still on the canvas.
I'm very traumatized with this kind of a sight. Remember, I was there when Shinjoga, Jinjiro Shinyoka was lying flat on the canvas, partner, in Japan. I don't want to see the sight. It's like a nightmare to me.
And it's still an ongoing nightmare because up until now, I think Ginjiro is still in the hospital trying to recover bit by bit, di ba?
And I think that punch was perfectly timed also.
Right.
Maybe on the jaw or what. I could not foresee.
Hey, Shamili for quick recall.
There you have it, partner. Good news. The Indonesian boxer is up. Muhammad Shamilin. What a warrior, partner. He went all the way here.
I think he has also have a family
Of course.
waiting for him in Indonesia, you know.
So yeah, We're just so happy that he's okay. And of course, big congratulations to a superstar in the making, Xavier Medecilio of RCT Hong Kong Elorde. Alam mo ba, partner, itong si Xavier, yung unang tatlong laban niya, all ended in round 1. And now, he repeated the same pattern, ano?
Ladies and gentlemen, your official time, 2 minutes and 11 seconds of the second round. We have a winner by knockout, Xavier Medecilio.